Materials required: colored chart papers, 2 thermocol glasses, red, yellow and black fabric paint, black marker, pencil, brush, scissors. First, take 2 thermocol glasses and paint one glass red using red fabric paint. Similarly, paint another glass using yellow fabric paint. Leave the edges without color. Now, paint the inside of the glasses using black fabric paint. Now, take a chart paper, fold it into 2 halves and draw hind and fore legs of the frog. Using scissors, cut out the eyes and tongue also. Now, use your scissors to cut the hind legs and unfold them to make a pair. Similarly, cut out the fore legs separately. Next, insert or put the red glass over the yellow glass in a tilted position as we do here, leaving a gap between them at one end. Use adhesive and paste both glasses in this position. Now, apply more adhesive and paste the hind legs pair on the yellow glass at the back. Also, paste the fore legs at the front. Use adhesive and paste the eyes on the upper cup. Paste the tongue inside the open mouth. Finally, apply adhesive and paste a set of front teeth to complete the look of the frog. Now, use a black marker pen to make 2 nostrils. This way, you have learned to make a thermocol frog. We are sure you are going to try it right now.